This is Eddie, and it's his birthday today. Happy birthday, mate.
Thank you.
And we've got here a little bit previous because it apparently, and he didn't know actually. Yeah, the party's not till later. And he's got this lovely, you know, I love dogs. He's got this lovely big Rottweiler. I'd love one, but not until we get our own place. Let's start, Eddie, by how did you meet your wife? When did you meet your wife? How long you been in the Philippines? And then
Well, I met Katherine 98, 99. In Hong Kong, we were both working together.
What were you doing in Hong Kong?
I was tunneling. I worked in tunnels, making tunnels.
All right. Yeah. Engineering. Very good.
I started in mines, electrician outfit.
Oh, yeah. And you
Progressed.
to all the English fans of the Brit and the Philippines, you can guess he's from Barnsley. He had to tell me. I didn't pick it up straight away. But he's from Barnsley.
Been away a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, we met. Actually, I met her the day before I left Hong Kong. It was just
You just bumped into each other, basically. Yeah.
I left and then went back for a.
Right.
Because I was going to Ireland to I had a project in Ireland to go to. So I went there and then backwards and forwards to Hong Kong, and then when her contract was finishing, we walked into the Philippines.
What was it she did?
She worked as looked after the young girl.
All right.
For the Chinese family.
Carer.
Yeah.
Carer. Right.
And then once she left, we both come back to Philippines and spent time there, getting to know each other, and then left
Cool.
to Ireland. She come with me.
How long was that for?
6 months we was in Ireland.
Wasn't long though. Yeah.
We'd known each about 18 months to a year when we got married.
So did you, sorry to cut you off, did you pretty much know straight away you wanted to like be in the Philippines and have a place here and retire or whatever? Oh, you're retired, you are retired. No, you're not?
No.
All right.
I enjoy my job too much.
All right. Can't fault you.
I've been off work for 4 months now, 5 months.
Right.
I do 6 months, 1 year, and then I'll have a long spell off.
So you do that long out the country?
Yeah.
My God.
Well, I'll go 6 week or 8 week, 10 week month, come back for 2 weeks.
So you're nowhere near retirement yet then?
Yeah.
You are?
I'm only 2 years younger than you.
Really? Yeah. Well, we can't retire till 67. You can't get your pension. Yeah.
9 years. So
if I make it that far.
The job I'm doing now is not. I'm more teaching than. So I work for a German company, and we actually design and build the tunneling machines.
Oh, cool.
So when I'm going to Hong Kong next, is my next project normally for a specialist project to do drill some tunnels between 2 tunnels.
Right. So you're making the money as long as you can then, basically, because you enjoy what you're doing, can't fault you.
I'm only teaching. Once sit in office, they have a problem, I help solve problems. And
right, so you met her. How old were you and how old was she at the time?
I think I was 35 and she was 24.
Oh, God.
Was.
Yeah. Those were the days. There's exactly a 26-year gap between me and my wife.
We've got 11 and a half years.
Yeah, that's not a bad gap, is it?
We've grown old together.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, that's good. You decided you were going to build something in the Philippines, so you bought this land. Initially, did you answer all the questions I asked you? Anyway, forgive me, guys. The memory's not what it was. Anyway, so you bought this land. Do you mind if I tell them how much you paid?
No.
Yeah, he paid 500,000. There's about 1,000 square meters.
Yeah.
500,000 pesos. But that at the time
it was about 6,000 US, 7,000 US.
Yeah. So I guess
at that exchange rate then.
Guess at the time it wasn't bad. Now, a few years later, you're talking more money. You're probably talking double now at least.
Yeah.
So anyway, you bought the land. What happened next? Because there was nothing built on it, was there?
There was actually, we had because this used to be family land from my wife's great grandmothers.
Oh.
So we bought it from within the family.
So perhaps you got it at a bit of discount at the time as well.
No, we paid market value.
Market value.
Because of one of the relations.
Right,
Because
okay.
we could have got it cheap.
Yeah, that's another story. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, so what we had, we built a little nipper hut and actually used it for food, selling food.
All right.
Yeah, and lived in the back.
Cool.
And then finally we turned it into a bar. Then became our house, which we lived for 2 or 3 years, a little bit more, while we were building this part, the first part of our house.
Right.
But during the one time with the typhoon, we run down to a sister's house, which was a nice concrete safe house. The next day we come back and we have no.
So
no
the typhoon had took the Nipa hut. So anyway, you get this built, and then you've worked on this and got this built. So once that was built, you moved into.
First.
Oh, that was first.
That was
right.
first. So we moved into there. Then a few years after that, we decided I wanted a garage to put the car in.
Yeah.
So the garage come with the room. There is a room.
Yeah, because
bathroom on
you've got a. Do we call her a maid's room? A maid's room.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. And she's been with you 10 years, yeah?
13.
13 years, my God. All right. Well, that's good.
Because like I said, the house is left empty a lot, so we need someone.
Yeah, she looks after security and what have you. Then you built that. So then you built that.
This is the last part of the addition.
So
2018, I think. 2019.
right, so it took a while to get all this lot together, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's very nice. I thought this was separate, guys. I thought it was like a separate bungalow. It was initially, then obviously they've joined it onto the main dwelling. And as you can see, it's even this is pretty much like 2 houses, really, if they wanted it to be. So I think this would suit quite a few foreigners. Hey, you lock the gate, this is all yours. Yeah. Really very nice. Right guys, so we're downstairs. They're preparing the food. Hello girls. His wife's preparing food in the kitchen. So this is a downstairs bedroom.
This is like a family room, what we said.
Yeah. So you can see that's where he normally parks his truck outside. That door there's just a storeroom. There's nothing really to see there. Aircon in the room, obviously. That goes without saying. Bathroom. Look at that. Isn't it lovely? Very nice. Enclosed shower. Very nice. And again, guys, it smells lovely as well. Lovely smell. Do we have a look upstairs? Let's go and have a look upstairs because I'm nosy, you see. We may as well make the best of it, eh?
My TV room.
Yeah, where you can disappear and have a little bit of privacy.
Yes.
Oh, that's about the size of Michael's TV, and he's got all security cameras on it, so you can watch the swimming pool and stuff. Ah, that's what I forgot to say, guys. If you look out the window, there's some land there, and what were you gonna grow?
Originally, I was going to make it into a Japanese garden with toys, but since the pandemic, I want a swimming pool now.
He wants a swimming pool, eh? Great idea. Amazing idea. Look at it. Look at the view from the window. All these coconut trees and stuff. There's it's the mountain up there in Iriga. Ah, lovely.
Straightforward. When we go upstairs, you'll see, but I think it's too cloudy. We've got a perfect view of my own volcano.
Yeah. My God.
This is mine and the visitors. We have our own ensuite.
Oh, he's got a bath. He's got a bath. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Oh, kill for a bath. Yeah. Aircon look in the room. Lovely bed. Look at the bed. That looks very comfortable.
Walk-in closet.
Yeah. And then we've got the balcony.
These have just been replaced because the last typhoon
Blew 'em
destroyed
in.
them.
Yeah.
My own fault, because I didn't get the shutters built in time. Because
Yeah.
I had to go back to work. So.
This, you know, got a nice sun in the evening. Look at that. Hey, how cool's that?